So after I posted about the um, ordinary glycolic acid toner, somebody asked if the good molecules niacinamide toner is not good because I kept talking about the ordinary glycolic acid toner. So I want us to do a quick one. I want us to um, learn about the good molecules niacinamide toner as well, so that whenever you want to decide on getting a toner, you know which one to go in for and for which purpose. I hope you are getting it now. Disclaimer: they are both good in their own ways. Okay, they are both good in their own ways. Please don't run away and leave me. They are both good. They all do like good stuff. I don't know if you can. Oh my god, I spelled this. Damn. I have to reapply again. They are both good, okay, guys. They are both good. They all do. They are like they all literally do different things, but are like in similar ways. Okay. So yes, let's get straight into them. Now, niacinamide on its own, okay. Niacinamide on its own is known for controlling oils, okay. Is known for controlling oils and for um working on hyperpigmentation as well. And niacinamide actually reduces blotchiness, redness, and all of that. And it mainly controls oil. Okay. Now, the glycolic acid is now glycolic on the other hand is known for exfoliation. Let me put it that way. So they basically do different things. Now, in as much as glycolic is for exfoliation, it also works on hyperpigmentation. Now, as well as the niacinamide, in as much as the niacinamide controls oil, is mainly to control oil and minimize your pores, it also works on hyperpigmentation. Now, that is where the confusion sets in. So I think that if you want something to control your oil or you want something to minimize your pores, then you can go in for the niacinamide. Now, if you want something for exfoliation as well as fixing hyperpigmentation, um, closing your pores and all of that, then you can go in for the ordinary um, glycolic acid toner. They all do the same thing, but niacinamide is mainly for controlling oils. Okay, I hope you get it. Niacinamide is mainly for like controlling oils. Now, one thing is that you can use the good molecules niacinamide toner every day, but you can't use the ordinary glycolic acid like every day. No, 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 no. You can't use it every day. You can use the niacinamide toner morning and evening. You can't use the glycolic acid toner morning and evening. You can't use it every day either. So I think that's the only difference. The main difference is that the niacinamide is for controlling oils and minimizing your pores. It really works on controlling the oils on your face and then minimizing your pores. Whereas the glycolic acid toner is like mainly exfoliate. So now let's just understand that if you go in for the niacinamide toner, it's going to control your oils, it's going to minimize your pores, it's going to fix the hyperpigmentation, it's going to fix blotchiness, redness, and all of that. But it's not going to exfoliate your skin. Do we get it? It's not going to exfoliate your skin. Now, if you go in for the ordinary glycolic acid, it's going to fix hyperpigmentation and is going to work on your textural irregularities and is going to mainly exfoliate your skin. So if you go in for glycolic acid, don't expect that it should minimize your pores or it should control the oils. Do you get it? If you go in for glycolic acid, don't expect it to minimize your pores or control your oils. Let me put it that way. That's when you go in for the glycolic acid. Now, if you go in for the niacinamide toner, don't expect it to exfoliate your skin. That's the only difference. So glycolic acid is for exfoliation, niacinamide is for controlling oils. But those the both toners work in similar ways, just that the only difference is one is for exfoliation, the other is for um oil controlling and minimizing of the pores. I hope you find this information useful and see you guys another time. Please, if you want more insights on anything, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Skincare Tips with Amaham, where I go into details over there. We feast on skincare products. We learn a lot of things. We go into details. Over here, we can't really go into details. So if you want us to go into details or you want to know more about the certain products, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys another time.
I like the way you roll out for me. You too make it if you wind